And I hate when you wear a tank top and a bra and it just is like, I don't want to do it. I don't want to work. I want to show my straps. Nobody cares about your straps, bra. We don't care about you. Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about not just one, but two setting sprays. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Morphe Luminous setting spray as well as the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Mist. So both of these came out not too long ago and I've just kind of had them here and didn't get around to trying them. So I was like, I want to try them. So for today, I've already got my full face on, which is, this is the point where I would set my face. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to set it with the Luminous Mist. It's yeah, because today I'm feeling to have a more dewy look when I take pictures, and then I'm going to come back afterwards and you're gonna see me another day with probably another look, and I'm gonna try the matte one. I've already tried the Morphe, the one in the black can, the regular continuous setting mist. It is my favorite setting spray. If you would like to see a video about other setting sprays that I love, there'll be an eye above so that way you can check that out. So a little bit about these. The Luminous Setting Mist has a net weight of 125 grams, which is 4.4 ounces, so you do get a lot of product. They both retail for $16 a piece, but currently they are on sale for $8 a piece. They are sold in Morphe as well as at Ulta and online at Ulta and online at Morphe. The matte mist is 79.4 grams, 2.8 ounces, and it's just like it's in a can just like the regular setting mist, this aerosol can, so it's gonna spray out a really fine mist, which is great, and that actually smells really nice too. It's an interesting smell. For the luminous one, let me see what this mist looks like. That's really fine too. Hey, we love that. We love a fine mist in this household. So I'm going to spray my face and then I'm going to finish doing the rest of my makeup. I haven't put on any lashes or anything else. So I'm going to do that after I spray my face. And then I'm probably going to spray it again because I always do that. Full face is already on. I already got brows. Base makeup is on. Face just was waiting to be set with my setting spray. I use my chill spray in between my powder products as always. I did a mix of the Morphe Fluidity Foundation and the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. I have been mixing these two foundations for the past like month and a half and I love it. I don't know what it is about this combo between the two, but it's full coverage because both are full coverage foundations. Mixing the two of them together completely fixes the shade issues I have with both, and both of the formulas just work really well together. So I've been mixing them for about a month and a half now, and I love it. I'm feeling it. I'm going to now spray this out. I've already got my test spray so I can show you guys the mist. So now I'm just gonna spray this on my face. This is like a nice smell too. It's kind of got, I'm gonna take my sponge and just kind of pat that in, which is what I would always do with my setting spray, especially one like this. But even for a spray bottle like this, this is a mist. It's a nice fine mist that comes out and it feels really good. Ooh, dewy. You see all this light reflected here? We are dewy. Okay, well, that's nice. It has a very light floral smell. This says it's infused with coconut water, glycerin, and apple extract. This hydrating spray sets your makeup and seals in moisture, leaving you with a glowing finish. My skin does look really glowy after. Oh, I like that. I like that. Okay, look at me already. I don't even know. Let me finish my face, which will take another like 5-10 minutes. And who knows, in 5-10 minutes this could look like ass. So let me not get ahead of myself. Okay, and we are all done. So I just threw on some, what is this? LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner in the shade I Gotcha under the eyes to match my clips. For lashes, I am wearing the Makeup Shack's Pretty, or is it Hot Mess collection. Lashes in this style Taboo. These are far more dramatic and fluffy than I expected, and probably far more dramatic and fluffy than I think I've ever worn. On my lips, I'm wearing my combo that's been my go-to combo for the past at least like month and change. I'm wearing Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Endless Brown, ColourPop So Juicy Gloss in the shade Beechwood, and some Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss in the shade Bitter Cherry in the center. So yeah, face is still looking pretty dewy. I'm liking it. Going to spritz my face again, because this is what I would normally would do with my setting spray, is I would spritz before I finish like my lips and lashes and mascara, because I don't want to spray when the mascara is still kind of wet. So I would go in after it's well dry, which would be right about now. And that scent is really nice. And there we go. We've got dewy. I'm gonna take my sponge, just pat that in. And okay, I like this. It's very nice. I like how it looks on the skin as I'm looking in the mirror. I will say the only thing I'm experiencing that I normally wouldn't experience, or I've experienced once in a while from a setting spray, is I'm a little itchy like right here, and it's always in this, right in this spot. It's the weirdest thing. But other than that, I feel good. Makeup looks good. So yeah, I like it. The dewy one so far is good. I'm gonna go outside and take some pictures, and then I'm gonna come back inside and I'm gonna let you guys know how it stands up in terms of like being outside, moving around, because it is currently 82 degrees outside today. So yeah, gonna see if this becomes just sweaty instead of dewy. Back inside from taking pictures, and face still looks good. I look dewy, I look more like moisturized, and it was hot outside. It was so freaking hot outside. Oh my god, 80 something, 82 degrees, but it feels like 97. But that is the unfortunate reality of living in South Florida. So far, the dewy mist is a bop for me. Now, I'm going to be moving on to the matte, and you guys are gonna see me in another look. I don't know if it's gonna be as extra as this, probably not, or maybe it will, I don't know, maybe it might be more. And you'll see me try out the matte, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts on that. So I'm back another day. This is actually a few days later. I filmed the first part of this video, I think earlier last week, and now it is Tuesday of the following week. So I'm going to be using the matte setting spray. I've got my face fully on, normal beat, nothing different, all of my normal products. I did the same foundation combo as last time, which was the Juvia's Place and the Morphe foundation. So yeah, nothing has changed. So I'm just going to take the cap off of this. This is the matte one. Like I said before, you get a net weight of 70.4 grams, 2.8 ounces. This is the same exact size as the black one, the regular continuous setting mist. So let me spray on my face. This one's continuous mist is a little, it like fizzles out a little bit at the end, whereas the regular black one, the regular continuous setting mist is a lot more, has a lot more longevity. This one definitely sprayed out a lot more on my face than I expected. The regular one has more of a even like amount that gets sprayed on your face, so I'm just gonna spray a little more. Yeah, this one, the mist is a little, what's the word, like thicker, I guess maybe would be the term. I don't know how to quite explain it, but it's definitely more, you feel it more. It stays wet a little longer. Like normally by like at this moment it would be dry for the regular continuous mist. So I don't know how I feel about that. It smells really nice. It's got like a really light smell. Like this isn't like the Huda Beauty one that's very fragrance. Like this one's got fragrance in it, but it's not, it's got like a really like green smell, if you know what I mean. Like that cucumbery, like tea leaf kind of smell. It's got that. This is still a little wet, but I am matte. I'm not matte in like a super dry way. I'm matte in a just real smooth finish matte. This still feels a little damp, specifically around my nose. It feels a little damp, and my forehead. My cheeks have feel completely dry. Ooh, Nice. I can't say this is transfer proof. Let's see. Oh, actually this is a little, Normally I would get a lot more transfer if I just use the regular continuous mist, but I'm getting far less transfer. So this doesn't claim to be transfer proof. Maybe that's just a side effect of it. So I'm going to go outside and I'm going to take some pictures and I'm going to come back in. It is very hot today because I live in South Florida where it's just the devil's asshole here. So it is currently 82 degrees and it probably feels closer to like 90 degrees outside more than likely. It is a little late. It is 6:17, so it's probably going to be just a teeny bit cooler than it would normally be, like in the height of the day, but it's still gonna be hot. Okay, I am back inside after getting bitten by mosquitoes because they like to hang out outside my window where I take my pictures. And makeup still looks good. From what I can tell, this still looks good. Yeah, face is matte. Very smooth, very matte. I'm going to change lenses so you guys can get a better look, because right now I'm using my 24mm lens and I'm gonna have to grab my 18-55 so that way I can zoom in. So give me 1 second. For this spray, the matte one, is also a bop for me as well. I like how matte my skin looks and how it's not like a dry matte, it's a very comfortable matte, and that's something that I like a lot in a setting spray, especially one that tells me it's going to mattify my skin. I like a setting spray that's going to mattify my skin but not make it look dry or like crusty or dry out my makeup. I like something that's just going to set my face to a nice velvety matte finish, and that's what this did. My face feels super smooth. I'm not getting a heck of a lot of transfer, so maybe this does have some kind of transfer resistant properties, not sure. But I think it's good. It's a bop for me. They are currently on sale, the matte as well as the dewy one. Yeah, so they're both bops for me. I'll be using them more often and incorporating them into my routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that your girl is uploading twice a week. Wednesdays at 7 and Saturdays at 3:30 PEST. Last week Wednesday's video went up a little after, well, a while after 7 because YouTube decided it was going to try and play me, but the video still went up. We achieved greatness. It still happened. The video still went up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever your girl uploads, because we're doing twice a week uploads for as long as I can. All right, the plan is to do it forever, but there may be a week that I might not make it. I don't know. It depends on the circumstances, but the plan is for us to have 2 uploads a week. Wednesdays at 7 PEST and Saturdays at 3:30 PEST. Thank you guys so much as per usual for watching my videos, supporting the channel, subscribing. I greatly appreciate it. Hit the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. Down in the description box will be all the links to everything I used on my face that you did not see me do on camera, as well as the link to the setting sprays. And in that box as well, which I never mentioned, are my social medias. You can find me on Instagram at nidakiddfresh, listed down in the description box. You can find me on Facebook at xoxo always Nida, listed in the description box. And you can find me on Twitter at xoxo always Nida, also listed in the description box. But yeah, anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.